Students, today we are going to discuss about political risk and its management. Political risk means government action to deny or restrict the right of an investor or owner to use or benefit from his or her assets, which reduce the value of a firm. Where known political risks include war, revolutions, government seizure of property, or action to restrict the movement of profits or other revenues from within the country. Its impact are total destruction of assets, operate without the right to return profits to a home country, or taking of private property for social good. Types of political risk are confiscation, taking of the private property by the government without any offer of compensation on the ground that the foreign firm are exploiting the country and relationship between the government and the foreign country are too much strained. Contract repudiation, contractor entering into the contract with the foreign government only to find that the contract cannot be fulfilled, terminating the contract without showing cause, refuse to pay for the delivered goods, and cancel the contractor license to operate with or otherwise causes cancellation of the contract. Currency inconvertibility, restrict the right of the foreign firms to repatriate profits to their home country because of the passage of the new laws or administrative slowdown. Discriminatory taxation, charging higher tax rate to the foreign companies than for the domestic companies. Embargo, to prohibit or forbid the movement of certain or all goods to a certain country or countries. Expropriation of profits, seizure of private property owned by the foreign company with compensation being offered or aimed at specific company. Nationalization, action of the government to transfer private property to the government. Compensation offered with no guarantees that it will be sufficient to pay for loss of value or future profits for the nationalized firm. War risk, actual damage caused by way of rebellion, invasion, or use of military force, etc. Wrongful calling of guarantees, companies required to put up a good faith guarantee for their performance before being allowed to begin work on a contract for a foreign government. Forecasting political risk, forecast links the act resulting the loss to the cause of the act or predictors of the cause. Forecast have four basic forms, that is type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Type 1, correlation from the current attributes of the country's attributes that are deemed significant correlates to the future trouble are scored to create an index that should project 10% an equivalent level of danger to the firm. Type 2 asks experts to project the attributes out into the future. Intelligence political risk index is an example of type 2. There are internal as well as external causes of type 2 errors. Internal causes are fractionalization of political spectrum and the power of these fractionalization of language, ethnic and religious groups, restrictive, that is the coercive measures required to retain power, mentality including nationalism, nepotism and willingness to compromise, social conditions including population density and wealth distribution, organization and strength of forces for radical left government. External causes include dependence on or importance of hostile major power, negative influence of regional political force. Symptoms of political risk are social conflict involving demonstration, strike or street violence, instability as perceived by the non-constitutional changes, etc. Type 3, to project the losses or the action which account for losses themselves out into the future. Type 4 provide distinct approach where future governments are projected by the analyst and then the behavior of those government toward the business are similarly projected. Management of political risk is done in three stages: before the investment is made, during the life of investment, once it is made, while negotiating for indemnity in case there has been attack on the investment through nationalization. So before investment, management of political risk, dichotomic decision to invest or not to invest abroad, assigning a risk premium. Since risks are difficult to quantify, it is necessary to be taken into account. Avoid litigation, try to incorporate a number of points into the contract regarding conditions concerning access to local capital market, taxation applicable, right to import raw materials, semi-finished goods, right of capital transfer, dividend and interest, etc. Bilateral agreement protecting investment between the country of the parent company and the host country. During the lifetime of investment, risk can be minimized, not to localize the whole production process in the same country, to integrate local products, to have resource to debt, plow back the funds generated by the subsidiary rather than bringing new capital from the foreign company, to increase the number of employees, to have other local alternative sources of suppliers, to establish the joint venture with the local enterprise, public insurance, public authorities in several countries for ensuring the risk inherent in the foreign operation. Like in England, there is Export Credit Guarantee Department. In France, there is COFAS. In Germany, there is also an institute. In US, there is Exim Bank. In Japan, there is Ministry of International Trade and Industry. In Italy, there is also an institute. Private insurance can also be done, like Lloyd of London, New Hampshire Company, and Company of Beige Assurance Credit. After nationalization, determination of the amount of compensation, modalities of payment of indemnities, and proceeding before courts or international center for the settlement of investment disputes, determination of compensatory indemnity, company quoted in stock exchange, single criteria based solely on share quotations can be indemnified, or multiple criteria can be used. By exporting organization internals means by reducing the export of such a country, explore possibilities of sale in risk prone countries, increase the margin on the product that it exports to the risk country. Export external means transferring the risk to other organizations, say to a bank, by way of confirmed or irrevocable documentary credit, and sell the credits to specialized organization. Or it can be done through banks by buying back debt, repurchase a debt when there is a grave uncertainty about its recovery. Debt, equity, stab, bank credit is sold to a private investor interested in investing that country. Involve three parties: creditor, bank, debtor country, and a private investor. Conclusion: analysis aim at evaluation and anticipation of the capacity of the political host country to meet its financial obligation. When the multinational enterprises plans to enter international market, assess country risk, selector risk, and project risk. Political risk insurance, EPCG, extend political risk coverage to a limited extent. Common political risk coverage, comprehensive export credit guarantee coverage, coverage for the loss caused by a buyer filing to pay the payment due to political or commercial risk. Confiscation, expropriation, and nationalization coverage cover worldwide exposure as it is. Contract repudiation coverage provides insurance coverage for non-compliance with the contracts by a foreign government. Inconvertibility of currency coverage, insurance against losses arising from the inconvertibility is availability from special international insurance market. Wrongful calling of guarantee coverage, policies for wrongful calling usually cover if the call on the guarantee was caused by the action of a government, such as cancellation of an import or export license or other action that causes the non-performance. Thank you.